to get instant free Instagram followers in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to go to the any big celebs like the Kim Kardashian or the Rock, big celebs. You have to go here, go to his profile, and then what you have to do is you have to click on the drop down arrow in the right side of the following button. You can see when you click on the drop down arrow, then here is all the suggestions for you. So what you have to do is, next step, you have to follow all this person, and then follow all of them, and then you have to follow all of them big celebs. And then what you have to do is you have to again unfollow them, and then you have to again unfollow them, and you have to again unfollow them, and here you can see I have unfollowed them. And then you have to again follow them after 20 seconds, and then you are here you can see this. So what you have to do is you have to again follow or unfollow them, and then after 20 seconds you again you again need to follow unfollow them, and then here you can see I am unfollowing them. So you have to repeat this process again and again. After 20 seconds you have to follow them after 20 seconds, and then you have to unfollow them. And then how you can you think that how you can get followers, that you can see that if you go to if you see the Rock profile, and then when you go to the his followers, when you click on his followers, you can see all these people. So when you see all these people in the first page, then the people started following you. And the reason behind it, then he's think that if you follow them, then he will also follow them back. So if he follow them, then you will also follow them back. So that, and if you follow again after 20 or 20 follow or unfollow after 20 the seconds, then you saw in the first in the in this first second position, and then you can and then the viewers who click on this page, then can follow you. And so that way, that uh, how you can gain the an instant followers. So that's it, that how you can get it. So you have to follow or unfollow big celebs like The Rock or Kim Kardashian or others Hollywood celebs. Then you have to follow and unfollow after 20 seconds, and then so that's it. So the people so that's it, that how you can do this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.